Normally, this is the time of year you may be seeing those big plunges in temperatures across the prairies. Not today.
Not today.
Wow. What a jackpot winner one city was.
Yeah, not today and not for parts of the prairies. And that is southern areas of Alberta and southern areas of Saskatchewan.
We'll see Calgary.
Yeah, we'll see it in a moment, but there's a bit of a ridge in the jet stream that's built up through the south of Alberta and Saskatchewan, allowed for some milder temperatures. And yeah, that jackpot, Calgary right now sitting at 13 degrees. Hasn't quite reached northern areas of Alberta, though. You can see Edmonton sitting at 0. Fort McMurray at 2. Yeah. Yellowknife, we keep going further towards the north. -9 right now. We're reporting some snow. It's also colder through northern areas, Saskatchewan and Manitoba. It's showing up Thompson, Manitoba. Clear sky, but -7 being reported. Moving off towards the east right now, we got 2 degrees at Toronto, -1 at Ottawa. There's a chill in the air, of course, here in the Maritimes. St. John's currently sitting at 7 degrees, and up in Labrador, -1, snow falling at Labrador City, and Happy Valley Goose Bay sitting at +1, maybe seeing some snow or a mix of some rain and some snow. The position of that jet stream, there's that ridge in that milder air sitting in place, southern areas of Alberta and Saskatchewan underneath it. And then the jet stream kind of dips down into this trough across the eastern part of the country. It's allowed for some lake effect snow off the Great Lakes regions through parts of southern Ontario, parts of the northeastern U.S. And then, of course, we have that pool of colder air sitting above us right now here in the Maritimes, which is why throughout the day today we saw that mixture of snow and rain that this evening is diminishing to basically some scattered lighter flurries and showers. And the coverage of those will become even spottier, even more isolated around the region as we move through the overnight into the start of the day for tomorrow. In Tuesday's forecast, it's looking like it's going to be a mostly cloudy day. The cloud cover every once in a while could break up, so you catch some peaks of sunshine, a little bit of blue sky, and most communities will have a low chance of a shower or flurry drifting through. It'll be about a 20 or 30% chance, except a little bit higher for eastern areas of Prince Edward Island and Cape Breton. A higher chance there because the wind direction remains out of the west, and that colder west wind will help pick up moisture off the Gulf of St. Lawrence and increase the chances of a few showers or flurries as that brings that onshore around the east of PEI and locations in Cape Breton, especially Inverness and Victoria counties. You will notice the wind again on Tuesday. Fairly widespread gusts in the region between 30 and 50 kilometers per hour, combining with still chilly temperatures. Speaking of chilly temperatures, a lot of low temperatures tonight. New Brunswick headed down towards or below the freezing mark. Be careful about maybe any wet spots turning a little bit icy. And low temperatures for PEI, Nova Scotia, mostly 1 to 3 degrees. Tomorrow in the north of New Brunswick, high temperatures between 2 and 5, and then down through central and southern areas of New Brunswick, high temperatures tomorrow between 3 and 5 degrees. In Prince Edward Island, the high temperatures tomorrow, 3-4 degrees for most communities, looking fairly cloudy, low chance of a flurry or shower, and a blustery west wind. Cape Breton tomorrow with high temperatures between 3 and 5 degrees. On the eastern shore, between 4 and 6, and on the north shore of mainland Nova Scotia, closer to 4. Near 4 for Amherst, Parsboro, Truro 4 tomorrow. City centers Halifax and Dartmouth closer to 5 degrees. 5 at Chester and Lunenburg. The Annapolis Valley will be chilly with high temperatures near 4. 5 at Digby, and on the south shore of Nova Scotia, the high temperatures between 4 and 6 degrees, including 6 at Liverpool and Shelburne. And in the 7-day outlook for New Brunswick, we remain with chilly temperatures through to the end of this week. The next weather system arrives. Looks like it's going to come in late Friday into very early Saturday morning for New Brunswick. That one mainly rain and showers, but in behind it, the chilly air returns, so it's a little bit colder again for the end of the weekend on Sunday, and a chance of flurries next Monday. For Nova Scotia in the outlook, high temperatures through the end of this week, mostly around the mid-single digits. The overnight low temperatures headed down towards, and in some cases, a few degrees below the freezing mark. It's cloudy periods on Friday, and then temperatures get a little bump up on Saturday, but it's because of the rain moving through. We saw that happen on Sunday of this past weekend. A mix of sun and cloud for next Sunday, and then showers in the forecast for Monday. And for Prince Edward Island in the forecast, we got high temperatures near 4 degrees on both Wednesday and Thursday, both days a mix of sun and cloud. Increase in cloudiness on Friday with the high temperature near 7 degrees, and some rain expected to come through on Saturday. Temperatures fall in behind that rain, so on Sunday, mix of sun and cloud, highs near 4, and then 5 degrees on Monday with a chance of showers.